If you feel small when you see other people winning in life, listen to this story before you quit on yourself. Imran's life changed the day he stopped only looking at other people's success and started using what was already in his own hands. He worked in a tiny mobile repair shop on a noisy road. Dusty counter, cracked chairs, a ceiling fan that made more noise than air. Every day he saw the same scene through the glass door. Young guys in expensive cars, customers counting thick bundles of cash. And every time, the same thought cut him from inside. Look at them. And look at me. Just a shop boy, fixing broken screens. One afternoon, a man in a suit rushed in, holding a dead phone. "Bhai, please try to save this," he said. "All my work is in it." Imran opened the phone. The board was burned. "I'll do my best," he replied. For the next hour, he worked in silence. The man paced behind him, checking his watch. Imran felt the pressure. His hands shook a little. Slowly, carefully, he cleaned the board, changed a few parts, and tried again. The phone lit up. All the apps were there. All the data was safe. The man let out a long breath. "You saved me today, yaar. My whole business is in this phone." Imran smiled softly. "Just doing my job, sir." The man looked around the tiny shop and said a line that hit Imran's heart. "You're too smart to sit in a place like this." After he left, that sentence wouldn't leave Imran's mind. Too smart to sit in a place like this. Then why am I still here? Same shop, same pay, same life. That night, as he was closing the shutters, the old shop owner, Uncle Kareem, called to him. "Imran, come, sit for a minute." They sat on plastic chairs in the half-dark shop. "I saw your face today," Kareem said quietly. "What's going on in that head of yours?" Imran took a deep breath. "Ustad, when I look outside, everyone else looks successful. Cars, offices, big houses. And me? I'm just the boy behind the counter. Maybe this is all I'll ever be." Kareem smiled. Not to make fun of him, but like someone who'd heard this many times before. He pointed at the glass door. "You see that road? You think success is always on the other side of the glass. But you're wrong. You're not failing because you're in this shop. You're failing because you only watch the road. You never use what's already in your hands." Imran frowned. "What do I have?" Kareem got up, pulled out an old box from under the counter, and put it in front of him. Broken boards, old mobile parts, wires, tools. "You have this," he said. "And you have something most people outside don't have. Skill and patience. Every day you fix other people's phones, but you've never tried to fix your own future with the same skill." He leaned closer. "From tomorrow, shop closes at 9. From 9 to 10, this place is yours. Use the parts. Experiment. Learn advanced repairs from YouTube, from books, from wherever you can. Make mistakes here, at night, when no one is watching. Stop spending your energy looking up at others, and start leveling up what you already know." Something clicked. The next night, after closing, Imran stayed. At first, he was clumsy and tired. He burned a few boards, broke some things, fixed others. But he kept coming back. He watched videos on micro-soldering, data recovery, board-level repair. 1 hour a night, then sometimes 2. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. One day, a new customer came in with a phone that 3 other shops had already called dead. "If you can fix this, I'll pay double," the man said. Imran felt a strange calm. He'd seen this problem before in his late-night practice. "I'll try," he said. An hour later, the phone turned on. The man stared at him. "Bhai, how did you learn this? Even the big shop in the market failed." Imran wiped his hands and simply replied, "Extra 1 hour, every night." Soon, word spread. People started to come for Imran, not just the shop. They brought him the impossible phones, and often he brought them back to life. One evening, as he closed the shutters, he caught his reflection in the glass door. He remembered how he used to stand there and watch the outside world with jealousy. Now he realized he hardly looked outside at all. His focus was no longer on who was richer, but on how much better he was than yesterday. Months later, a young helper joined the shop. One night, the boy sighed and said, "Bhai, look at their lives and look at ours. It's depressing." Imran smiled. "Don't waste your eyes watching their road," he said. "Use your hands and mind on your own. The day you stop only watching is the day you start changing." Most people do.